You ever have just a day get away from you, and the next thing you know, it's dinner time, and most of the things on your list never got accomplished? Well, that's what's happened to me today, guys, and let's talk about that. Hey, guys, my name's Billy Tate, and I am coming to you here for day 15 of the 30 days in front of the camera challenge that I've set for myself. We are officially halfway through this thing, and it's been an amazing ride for the last 2 weeks. You know, I've had one of those days where I had great plans where I wanted to come in here into the studio and I wanted to make 2 videos and try to get 2 days ahead and just make sure that I was keeping up on my commitment and give myself a little bit of freedom tomorrow to be able to do some other things. But guys, I got called into a couple of meetings today. I had to do some 2026 budgeting stuff for the church. And I spent most of the day researching cameras and computers and bouncing ideas off of trusted friends and people that I work with at the church. And I had to go over to a restaurant that my wife and I ate at, and we left our debit card there. Oh my gosh, thank God that was in a safe spot, and I had to do that. And then I went over to the Harley Davidson store today, guys, to get some more rebuild parts that we're going to do a second video on that 2002 Harley Davidson Road King that we were working on episode 13. So be looking out for that, and we'll try to get that dialed in and get it fixed up and report back hopefully with a little bit better result than the last video. But guys, I just wanted to talk about how we react and what we do when we face the challenges of getting behind schedule or not being able to accomplish the goals that we set out for our day, and just how we deal with that. I know for me, I was so frustrated because I was like, I don't have any content put together for this video here on day 15, and I didn't know if I was going to have enough time to put together the quality of the content that I wanted to put together for you, because I really am having a lot of fun at this, and I really do take it serious, and I want to start doing a little bit better quality videos and have a little bit better plan for these things. But today just didn't allow for my schedule to do that. But I remembered I made a commitment to myself and to you to get in front of this camera for 5 to 10 minutes every single day. And once again, I think it's most important for me to continue the habit, which is turning into this routine, which will eventually become the lifestyle. It's okay to not have it perfect all the time. The most important thing is to keep going. Even if we got to take a step backwards, guys, and take 2 steps tomorrow to get forward again, we just got to keep moving and keep our mindset focused on the goal rather than what's going on right here in the moment. That doesn't mean that we don't do each step as meticulously and as good as we can do it. What that means is that we're going to have setbacks, and we need to adapt and overcome over these types of mistakes or these types of setbacks with a positive attitude and keep going. So guys, I just wanted to give you some encouragement, and I want to hear from you. What do you guys do when you run into a situation when you're behind schedule, or the day's not going the way that you want it, or you get some setbacks in your life? How are ways that you guys get back on track? I know for me, it's just keeping going. Even if I don't get to where I wanted to go, if I'm making progress towards that goal, I can salvage the way that the day's going and everything's going to be all right. And I know that I'm going to have to try a little bit harder tomorrow, but it keeps my head in the game and I don't get defeated and not be able to move on. The last thing you want to do is get paralyzed and not be able to move. So guys, I encourage you guys to keep going. I kept going. I'm being honest and upfront and letting you guys see the real reality of this. To do a video every single day is hard work. Hard work. A lot of creators only do 1 video a week. And I'm trying to do 1 a day, 5 to 10 minutes a day, to get in front of this camera, to get more comfortable so that we can do the best job that we can do presenting information to you and trying to help each other. I want to build a community, guys. I really want to hear from you. Well, listen, I'm going to get on out of here. Sam's in there making dinner. We got some friends coming over tonight. but I just wanted to keep my commitment to you. So leave me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And guys, have a fantastic day and God bless.